Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was going to do a talk through video where I would talk to you like while I'm doing the whole look. Well, just for the eyes, because this video is mainly focused just the eyes. But unfortunately, things happened and my boyfriend came home and my dogs were barking and they didn't stop barking. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a voiceover like everyone has asked. I did set a poll on my Instagram. If you aren't following me on any of my social media, definitely go check it out because I do upload there and soon I will have a giveaway going on. So yes, go follow me. Other than that, I decided to go ahead and do a whole look that everyone requested. They want to do a holiday look, a fall look, something that it's not like a lot of warm tone because I've been using so much warm tones. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing more like a green tone. I don't know if you guys can see it. Definitely eyes bold, lips very, very subtle, matte, of course matte, and obviously this time bringing it out as a wing as opposed like I'm always using like circular eyes. So for today's video, definitely gonna be super fun. Again, for this video I did use the 39A palette from Morphe, and yet the best thing that I didn't receive, actually bought, did use is the Stardust by Kokie. I die for these. I have a lot of them. I think I got like 4 or 5 of their I think it was 4 or 3 or 4. Either ways, I did get several of their glittery. These remind me of the Stila glitter one, so definitely go check it out. Super good. Like I feel like these are a dupe for them, and on top of that, like look how blingy they look. Like girl, you're missing out. Definitely go check them out. Other than that, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Definitely remember, always take care of yourself mentally, emotionally, physically. I know I did not post Monday or Wednesday. I was taking care of myself, so that's that. I don't want to ramble anymore. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be seeing you on my next video.
Alright, so now what we're going to be using is the 39A palette, and we're going to be using those 2 brown colors that you see. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using a blending brush. It's more like a fluffier brush, and I'm going to be applying this color on the outer going to the inner. At first I'm going to create like a circular motion like I always do on my circular eye looks, but then from there on the edge I'm just going to bring it out and wing it out. Next we're going to be using is those 2 olive green colors, and definitely I mix both of them up with a smaller blending brush, and this one is, I believe, Morphe 233 brush. It's a smaller, longer blending brush, but I'm going to be focusing this color underneath the crease and of course following it all along the crease. So basically on the outer, making sure I wing it out and going into the inner corner. Alright, so now using 2 colors to deepen up the edges on the outer corner of the eye, I'm going to be using that light brown that you saw me pointing at, and the one next to it, which is a darker purple, because again we're working with a little bit of cool with a mix of warm tones. So we're going to be applying this just on the outer corner of the eye just to deepen up the eye and make it a little bit more darker. And then from there we're going to be grabbing the Kokie Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadow, and I'm using Stardust, and I'm just going to literally apply this on my lid, halfway to my lid, from the inner to halfway out the lid. Simply just applying it. I'm not cutting it. This basically does the job itself, and you can see how beautiful and pigmented and brightening it is. Now using that like green bluish eyeshadow, shimmer eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying that just on the outer of between the greens and the glitter, just to make sure it's mixed up. And then I'm going to go ahead and use an eyeliner. Basically what I'm using is an eyeshadow to create the eyeliner, and I'm just getting that flat brush and just using it and making it as my eyeliner. Again, I have a video on how I apply my eyeliner that I will be carding, so you guys can definitely go check it out. It's more in depth, and it tells you and it shows you how I create the eyeliner and my next steps. Alright, now that I am done doing all the eyes, as you can see, definitely winged it out. I'm going to go ahead and do the bottom lid. As you can see, I already did my whole face. So basically, this is just, I'm using all the colors that I mostly use. So the two greens and a little bit of the dark brown to deepen it out on the edges, and then put the mascara, and that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Super simple, quick, and easy. And anything that I have done in my face and is more in depth, I definitely carded, so definitely check those videos out. But I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be seeing you on my next one.